In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task to another list on Clickup, and we'll cover all the essential steps in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Clickup user or someone just getting started, this guide will make the process easy to follow so you can move tasks around your workspace effortlessly. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we're going to go to Clickup. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Clickup's official website. If you haven't bookmarked it already, just type in clickup.com in your address bar. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. This will take you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using Google, email, or other options. Next, click on the option that says Sign in with Google. This will bring up a screen where you can select your account from a list. Choose the account that is associated with your Clickup account. If you haven't signed in before, or you have multiple accounts, you might have to enter your email and password at this stage. Make sure to select the correct account to access your Clickup workspace. Once you're signed in, locate the task you want to move. This might involve navigating through your Clickup workspace and project setup. Identify the task and click on it to open it. You'll notice 3 dots beside your task, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. In the menu that opens up, you'll see an option labelled Move. Click on Move, and this action will bring up a list of all the available lists within your current workspace. This is where you can choose the new list where you want your task to reside. Go through your list options and select the one that suits your organizational needs best. Once you click on your chosen list, Clickup will automatically move the task there. And that's it! With those simple steps, you've successfully moved a task to a new list within Clickup. Remember, organizing tasks efficiently can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure your projects run smoothly. Moving tasks into the correct lists can help you stay on top of your priorities and track progress more effectively. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials on how to optimize your workflow with Clickup. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.